From the moment Assignment 2 has been established, we, Coconut 4.0, have started our discussion among each other. The first thing that we discuss about is which restaurant is suitable for us to observe, and our final decision was Lepau Restaurant. Lepau Restaurant is a restaurant that serves traditional Cayenne food, and the design in the restaurant is also based on the Cayenne traditional home design. The reviews for the restaurant were great, and however, what we have experienced was totally different. So we diagnosed that these reviews were really outdated. To fulfill the third course learning outcome, suggest recommendations by utilizing appropriate organizational behavior concepts and theories, we had observed the entire restaurant through a few times of visiting, and from our observation and after our discussions, we decided to talk about these three main problems in the restaurant and suggest recommendations for each problem.
We went to Lepau with those great reviews and expecting a high quality of food. But the quality of those food is not matching with the review given by the past visitors. The quality of food is not achieved the expectation of us, and the problem probably came from the head chef. The solution is, the motivation of an employee does not affect the performance. So we suggest that the boss or manager should negotiate a new contract with the head chef based on the expectancy theory. The expectancy theory explains about the job performance after the combination of expectancy, instrumentality, and balance. Expectancy is the belief that one's effort will result in attainment of desired performance goals. Instrumentality is the belief that a person will receive a reward if the performance expectancy is met. Balance is the value an individual places on the rewards of an outcome. So, in the contract, the reward need to have the ability to motivate the head chef to give a better effort and performance to get a better outcome.
Based on our observation at Lepau, the workers did not have a good service outlook, and they seemed unmotivated and disinterested when serving customers. Therefore, to solve this problem, what we propose is for there to be a daily pep talk by the managers. During this daily pep talk by the managers, they can set individual goals for performance and the service of the workers. The goal-setting theory is used to implement this solution. Based on the goal-setting theory, the pep talk will cause the workers to be able to recognize the challenge of higher goals set. There will also be a desire to feel competent. The attainment of these goals will cause the workers to be able to excel.
The third problem is the act of workers in the restaurant. The workers tend to sit together and chit-chat among each other, even there is customer arrive in the restaurant. This is not a good sign for the customer who went to the restaurant. They even not going back to their position immediately when the customer arrive and sit. We suggested the manager or the boss must come out with the contest which is the employee of the month. We suggested this contest after analyzing the problem based to the attribution theories, which is Kelly theories. After analyzing, we conclude the problem as a stimulus attribution, which is external causes. The consistency of the workers in the restaurant is high, which the workers consistently act the same way over time. This is our observation after field visit to Lepau. Besides that, the consensus of the workers in the restaurant is also high because the workers inside the restaurant act the same way. And last, the distinctiveness is also high because they only act this way when the boss or the manager is not around. As this is external cause, therefore we propose for there to be an employee of the month contest.
Therefore, our three recommendations for Lepau Restaurant are to, number 1, review all employee contracts, number 2, have daily pep talks, and number 3, have employee of the month contest. These are based on the three theories, which are the expectancy theory, the goal-setting theory, and the attribution theory, are also known as the Kelly-Covarier model. We hope that through the implementation of these changes or these concepts, the workers' performance at Lepau will be able to continue to improve, and Lepau will become a restaurant that is world famous in the future. That is all for us. Thank you.